Where is my... Oh, I'm always losing that little remote. I needed this. I don't like this green color. I might have to go change. Welcome back to my channel, guys. My name's Smay, and if you guys are new here, welcome. My channel goes into personal finance. We go into how to make money, how to trade stocks, make money on the side, especially as a teenager or someone who's new in the game. I wanted to make this video more of as a casual video just to talk about why I have started a YouTube channel in 2020 and what my plans are for 2021. And if you guys stick along, there's gonna be a whole bunch of content for you guys. So the first reason I started a YouTube channel in 2020 was because this was the year that, being 18, I was able to do stuff. I actually started I think my first video I posted around January. Let me check that actually. Let me go to my YouTube. Okay, first video I ever posted was January 3rd, 2020. 35 likes, wow. I guess around New Year's of 2020, I told myself I was gonna make a YouTube video. It didn't matter how bad it was. I was actually motivated by a friend to make my first video. That video was so short that I think this video as of right now is probably already longer. I definitely did not know how to edit. I didn't even know how to start a video or end a video. I think I was just trying to have a first video. I think that's the very important thing about starting any channel. I know my channel is not big, but as of this video, as of the first one, I definitely was just trying to get a video out. And I think that's really important in starting a YouTube channel, is being able to push a video out and kind of forget about all the comments and everyone's opinions. So I just focused on basically putting one video out, and that made my second video easier. I actually posted that like a week later, and from there I actually kind of like had a creative break, so I didn't know what I wanted my channel to be about. And then like a month or two later, quarantine started. What that meant was everyone's getting sick, and in America, in the United States, in Philadelphia, we had a lockdown. So I didn't have school. I had so much time on my hands, and I think if you guys are in quarantine right now and you guys are thinking about making a YouTube channel, I hope you guys make that channel. Go make it right now. I don't say this often, but you can click off this video and go make your first video. Turn on your iPhone, your whatever camera you have. Doesn't matter the quality, doesn't matter about the audio. Honestly, the first video, just go and turn it on and make your first video. And then you guys can come back and watch this. I don't mind. I really don't. Now, since we're all in quarantine, I kind of had more creative ideas, like the stock market crashing, what to do about it, what stocks to look for, what stocks to buy, how to build credit in quarantine, in the recession. Stocks were plummeting in March. I made videos about that, how to basically make money in quarantine. Also being able to open up a brokerage account, stock brokerage with Webull, having credit cards, getting credit cards. I did credit card reviews. It was super fun unboxing my credit cards. I got the Apple card. That's one of my biggest videos, has 3,000 views. Super hype about that. My average views, if you guys don't know, is around like 100 views. It's getting better, but 3,000 views, I'm blessed. Thank you guys. I appreciate all the views, and if you guys have clicked on this video and you guys are still watching, I thank you guys. And if you guys are enjoying my content, please subscribe, smash the like button. That's the biggest way to help this channel grow. So thank you guys. And the very main reason that I started a YouTube channel in the first place was because I loved editing. I made a couple editing videos on iMovie, like when I was in high school, playing basketball with my friends, edit this video, edit that video, I don't know. I did some sequences in Washington, DC. I mean, I was always interested in making videos. I just never had the camera or the, I guess, editing software. I mean, I edit on Final Cut now, but my very early videos on YouTube on my channel were on iMovies. So, I mean, editing is very fun. It can be very time consuming. I mean, I've stayed up until like 2 a.m. editing after work. I've woken up at 6 a.m. to edit just to make it on time. I mean, editing can definitely take up a lot of time, but it is fun once you get good at it, once you're able to make jokes, make cuts, make memes. I don't know, it becomes fun. And if you guys aren't good at editing, I suggest you guys just learn how to do simple cuts, pull pictures off of Google or whatever, and I think you guys will have a very sturdy start. My videos sucked in the beginning. I didn't even know how to put pictures and music. So guys, you guys can do it. I think you guys can learn. You can learn little by little, and it's fine. Everyone has to start somewhere. So I think if you guys just start, it's gonna be a learning process, and you guys will get it eventually. Another reason I started a YouTube channel in 2020 during all the chaos in the world was I wanted to give people a direction, help when they're going through financial hardship. I know that doesn't say a lot for teenagers or young adults. Like, what could possibly be going on in your life? On a serious note, there's college debt, credit cards that you guys might not be able to pay off. If you guys bought a car, I know you guys have to pay that monthly, a car loan. It sucks. So being able to manage your finance, save money, live frugally, basically understanding your finances to live a happy life. Honestly, the goal is obviously financial freedom, making money, working, side hustles, starting a business, investing in stocks, real estate, or whatever. Obviously, the goal is to retire early and be financially free. I definitely wanted to help people go towards that direction and away from like debt and away from bad expenses. Instead of having to explain it to everyone individually, especially when my friends asked me, I just rather make YouTube videos and kind of share it with them, so I could only say it once and then they could watch it as many times as they like, and they could learn from it, and they could give me feedback, and we can have a discussion in the comments section. If you guys are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, definitely comment below. Let me know what you guys are gonna make your channel about. And that brings me to my next reason that I thought about making a YouTube channel, was because I actually wanted to make funny videos. I grew up watching prank videos. I grew up watching a lot of food channels. So I wanted to make those videos, but also make videos that were helpful. So I kind of gradually went towards more helpful videos like I am right now. As you guys might know, on my channel, I do some vlog videos here and there, just because when I go out, I want to keep that memory of me and my friends or me and my family. But I try to make it entertaining. I try to make it funny. We do pranks on my friends, but definitely the general videos on my channel are personal finance, helping. It's gonna be about real estate soon. More update on that later, but I'm not gonna be humble. One of the reasons I started a YouTube channel was because I wanted to make money. I wanted to make another stream of income. And is that okay for starting a YouTube channel? Is that okay to want money out of making YouTube videos? I've seen everywhere you shouldn't be making YouTube videos for money. So what do you guys think? Comment below, let me know. But I think it's okay to do something for money as long as you're authentic about it, as long as you actually want to help someone. It's like if you just charge a service and you get something out of it. Honestly, I'm not even getting paid right now, guys. I'm not monetized yet. I don't have 1,000 subscribers. That is the goal. We're gonna get there one day. So if you guys would like to support me, please like, subscribe. But I myself wanted to build multiple streams of income, and YouTube hopefully is gonna be one of them. But at the end of the day, I do want to help you guys. If you guys don't think I'm helpful, then obviously I don't deserve your like or your subscribe. Obviously, I want to help you as best as I can, as best as I will be able to. Hopefully, if you guys learn something from it, you guys can like my videos. It'll be able to help YouTube push my videos out to more people. Obviously, I'm not the type of person to just want money and obviously give you guys nothing. It's a trade, and I have fun while I'm doing it. So hopefully making money while I do something that I love and enjoy. Who knows how big this channel will be? We can go up to 100,000 subscribers, 500,000, 1,000,000 subscribers. I want to look back on this channel, on this video particularly, why I started a channel in 2020 into 2021. Again, we're in quarantine, so I have no excuses not to make YouTube videos for you guys. If you guys like this video, you guys already know what to do. And with that, I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.